Hello students, today I am going to teach you the same session for IT 402. I was discussing the question papers which you gave in your yesterday examination, and I was telling you about the question pattern, which kind of question came and how students have attempted. So part A, part B, you know that IT 402 syllabus part A we have 10 marks and part B we have 40 marks. So total we have 50 marks questions, and we also know that in 50 rest 50 marks we are getting from our practical sessions. So I was discussing few questions. I have discussed these few questions, what will be the answer, and these were the MCQs. uh, and now I will discuss the next question. During a recent excursion, Rosni has taken some pictures for making a report in Writer. She wants to increase the contrast of the image. Which one of the following image filters should she use in Writer? Means if I want to image the contrast of an image, then what I will do? Whether I will do aging, whether I will do mosaic, or whether I will do sharpen or smooth. So the answer will be sharpen. Which one of the following image arrangement option in Writer send the drawing object behind the text? You know about image arrangement. We have different image arrangement. I have told you about bring bring to front, bring to back, send to like that. We were having no when we were inserting the image, then we were getting four or five options: send to back, send to front, bring forward, bring send backward, like this. So which option in Roshni, which option will be used to send the image behind the text? So it will be behind the text. Which feature of Writer is based on different type of heading style and is used to give the listing of the content of the document? You have to give different heading style and you have to give the listing of the document. We have read this in table of headings. Uh, Table of headings. We have two concepts. In this question, there were maximum chances of confusion because students have got the concept of table of content, but table of heading, there is little confusion between table of heading and table of content. So the answer will be table of heading. Table of content we were using when we needed to insert the index. When we wanted to insert index in a page, then we were having a concept in open office writer that we were going to insert and inserting table of content, then the page was arranged in the content manner. Which is the default template for the file being created in Writer? If you want to create a file, what is the default template? Resume template, project report, blank document, or chapter? So it is blank document. We all know that whenever we are creating a new file, we are getting a blank document. Next question is Santa is creating a project report in Writer and wants to apply the same style on heading, title in the entire document as he has done at the beginning of the document. It is fill format mode. I have told you that when a user want to apply the same formatting option to the entire document, then he or she has to use fill format mode. I have when I was teaching students, then I was explaining them by doing the steps that how a single formatting style you can apply to entire document. You have the fill format mode. Now, some additional question. To add your own comments in Calc, select track changes comments. So, where we have to go? Before track changes, we have to go to edit. We have to go to edit, then from edit, we have to go to track changes, then from track changes, we can add comments. So, this is a very little means they have tried to give a different way to a question. They wanted to give this question a competitive touch, so they have given a fill-ups before track changes. So a student get confused that whether he or she has to go to file or edit or insert or data. So the correct option will be edit. To add a new sheet in the spreadsheet, click on the with sign. When you have to add a new sheet, you have to add the plus sign. We all know that we have By default, 3 worksheet 1, 2, 3, and whenever we are clicking the plus sign, we are adding the new seat in the document, which is a set of value that can be used within the calculation in the spreadsheet to explore and compare various alternatives depending on the changing condition. You have a set of value which you are using in calculation. Now you have to use different alternative condition. It is what if scenario. See, they have given again a new touch to what if scenario. Scenario means when I was teaching, then I told that what if scenario is a situation when we want to apply. Suppose I have given you the a range that suppose you have to go to buy a car and then you have certain things in your mind, like you used to think that I want to buy a car within this range, I want to buy a car within this color, this would be the mileage. So you have this kind of scenario over your head. So they have included this question with the help with the inclusion of calculation. So here you need to think it is what if scenario. The recorded macro are actually stored as when you record a macro, then it is stored as a set of instruction in a programming language, a set of data cells or a document. It is a set of instructions in a programming language. We have studied about macro, that macros are the set of repeated tasks which we use to store and then we can apply it up in our document also. Now some subjective questions. You can see section B 26 marks, employability skills, answer any three. Now briefly explain the 2C. We have clarity, we have concise, we have coherent. What is clarity? Ensure that message is clear and easy. Now what is stress management? This is very important question. So, what is stress management? Refers to technique and strategy used to control and reduce stress. When you are using different techniques and strategies to control and reduce stress, it includes relaxation technique, exercise, time management, and maintaining a positive mindset. Give any 4 tips to keep the computer in perfect working condition. How can you keep your computer in a perfect working condition? You can regularly update software and antivirus. You can keep the computer clean and dust-free. You can avoid overloading storage and delete unnecessary files and shut down properly and avoid forceful shutdown. Now mention me 4 functions of entrepreneur. What are the 4 functions of an entrepreneur? So innovation means entrepreneur has a quality that they can innovate new things depending on new ideas and new products. Means developing. So they can develop a new idea and a new product. That is an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur can take risk and they can develop a new product and they can open a new kind of company in which they can give or sell or buy different kind of products and they want to they are giving society a new technique to do a business. Now, risk taking, investment in new business ventures despite uncertainty means you know that whenever you are opening a business, you know that you are taking a risk. You are having a new business, and you can have that your business will go or not. It can be fail or can be successful, but you are taking risk. Now, decision making, making crucial business related decision. Sometimes we need to take a lot of loan. Sometimes we knowingly or not knowingly, some people will do bad marketing of our products, and due to that, we need to take different kind of decisions. Now, managing resources. Sometimes we will be out of stock, and sometimes we will out of money. We will run out of money. So managing resource, how you are managing your resources efficiently, using capital, labor, and raw materials. Explore any 2 problems related to sustainable development goal. What are the 2 problems of sustainable development goal? It is deforestation and it is pollution. What is deforestation? Cutting down forest leads to loss of biodiversity and climate change. And pollution, industrial and plastic waste pollute air, water, soil, harming ecosystem. Now you have to attempt any four questions. Out of various styles category provided by the writer, what is frame style? So what is frame style? Control the appearance of the frame which hold text, graphics and tables. It defined attributes like border, size and positioning of an image. What is a macro? This is the most demanding question. A macro is a recorded sequence of command used to automate repeated tasks. So the macro name should not contain spaces. It should begin with a letter and can contain numbers and underscore. So what is the main purpose of a goal seek in Calc? What is goal seek? Goal seek is used to find an input value required to achieve a desired result. When you have your output is given and you want some input is missing, I have told you how to find out the goal seek. Example, if a student want to score 80% overall, goal seek help to determine the required marks in the final exam. So students, I will be discussing the rest question in the next video. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and please support my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.